All right, looking at number 11, where it says to label the hypothesis. Remember, the hypothesis comes after if, and the conclusion, the end, like the conclusion to a movie. So this always comes after the then, okay? So the measure of an angle is 75 degrees. This is the hypothesis, okay? And then the angle is acute would be the conclusion. All right, so a converse is just a switch, like you wear Converse on your feet. So it's just a switch around, okay? To remind you, the inverse, in starting with not, okay? So this just means I'm nodding both. And the contrapositive, the super long one, involves the not and the switch, the most changes possible, okay? So converse. So we're going to start with the converse. So that means all I'm doing is switching around the conclusion and the hypothesis. So if the angle is acute, then the measure of an angle is 75 degrees. Okay. So the inverse is the not part. So we keep the order the same. So if the measure of an angle is not 75 degrees, then the angle is not acute. Okay. The last one is not and the switch. So if the angle is not acute, so I started with the conclusion, then the measure of an angle is not 75 degrees. Okay.